Welcome to the next part in our Summer of Exotic Adventures, Stepping Off, the series where we explore the best of downtown areas once you step off the train. And today, we're stepping out in Raleigh Union Station to explore the vibrant Warehouse District. First, we're stopping by Videri Chocolate, then we'll pass by the Pit Barbecue and Boxcar Bar and Arcade. And we make our way over to Morgan Street Food Hall for a quick look inside. Then we'll round out our walk by heading right back to Union Station. Come on, fam, let's go. Today we are at Raleigh Union Station to answer one burning question that you guys have for us. What is there to do when you actually get off of the train in Raleigh? Well, Brandon and I decided that we were going to drive to downtown Raleigh and here at Union Station to show you guys exactly what there is to do within walking distance of Raleigh. So, there's only one thing to do. Come on, fam. So here's the plan. Not only are we going to hit some of the most popular spots in Raleigh in the downtown area, we're also going to show you guys a couple of our favorite spots in the downtown area. So I think I see Brandon coming. So let's go ahead and pack up and go. Let's get ready to go and see what we can do in downtown Raleigh. Now, since we live in the area, we drove into Raleigh and parked at Raleigh Union Station. You can park here, but you can only park for 3 hours, and the parking is $1 per hour. So we have to get this done within the next 3 hours. We're going to act as if we are you, and we are exiting the train for the first time, and we're going to take you to some of the spots that is suggested and some of the spots that we like to visit when we're here at Raleigh. So, if you are ready, our first stop will be Videri Chocolate. Yes, that is a chocolate bar. You can get coffee there as well. So if you're getting off on an early morning train, Videri is the place to go. Let's head over and check out Videri. Also, I failed to mention, Videri is only a 2-minute walk. So if you need a quick coffee pick-me-up, it's a 2-minute walk.
Bounce back with that classic heat. Let's go. Step in the room and the rhythm ignite. Afrobeat bouncing, we taking the flight. Old school swag with the modern day flair. Throwing your hands up like nobody care. Bass in the system, it rumbled the floor. Caribbean heat got 'em asking for more. Me keep it moving, the timing is right. Rocking the party all through the night.
So our first stop is Black and White Coffee here inside of Videri Chocolate. This is about a 3 to 5 minute walk from the train station. And apparently you can make your own chocolate here, or they make it in front of you. They make the chocolate in front of you.
Yes.
That's kind of cool.
Straight out of beans, apparently. So
they use beans in front of you to make chocolate.
Coffee beans. I don't know. That's what it said. We're going to go in and see. Now, it might be the chocolate. It is the chocolate factory, but at the same time, we don't know if they're actually going to be doing it, but we can actually go in and see for ourselves.
You know what? This is the remix to Ignition.
Jump to the rhythm, we rocking the beat. Feel the vibration is making you move your feet. Yeah, we got that bounce, that hip-hop soul. Afro, curvy, and vibes taking control. Jump to the rhythm, we rocking the beat. Bringing the fire, we making it sweet.
can actually do a self-guided tour. So the booth use laminated sheets, and they have QR codes and videos. Usually there is bean sorting right there, but nobody's doing it right now. But you go through the whole thing, and then when you come back, they give you chocolate salads. So that's that. Thank you. Great. Good one. So it's literally a chocolate bag. This is where they actually grind it, but you can scan the QR code, and if you want, and it'll show you the video. So it's not long away. It does give you the detail of each step. So when you pass the QR code, you can actually scan it and it'll show videos. But it does give a detail of each step of where it goes from the cacao bean to fermentation, them sorting, roasting, the winnowing, the grinding, popping, and the tempering. So you can do a full tour. We did a quick walkthrough, but if you have time in your day, it's a quick little stop. Nice to know what chocolate and coffee. You know about your day? Um, 35% cocoa in the U.S. is dark chocolate. It's really 5%, so it's dark milk. Dark gonna be a little more rich than the chocolate you're used to, but it's still got that sweetness and that sweetness too. And this one is actually my favorite. This is our dark milk crunch. It uses that same and a little bit of sea salt. Oh. So a cocoa nib is just the roasted bean that's been crushed up into small pieces. And then it's got that little bit of sea salt on top to finish it off. You know, sea salt brings out so much of chocolate. Mm-hmm. It's always my favorite. I also have the dark chocolate with the sea salt on top too if you want it. And I've gotten only sea salt. You're a salty type, so I want to try the almond sea salt. Did you want to try the almond sea salt too?
Sure, why not? I get it.
You like the almond sea salt? That's this right here. That's actually even the 70% dark chocolate. Really?
Thank you.
And the 70% as well is the one that coats the guava. So they're split thinly, but then that richness on the outside. I also have a spicy milk chocolate. You got like spicy?
Sure, why not?
Spicy chocolate. Woman is good in a coffee. It's actually a local company that we work with. They make their homemade dry rub spice powders, and then we toss those cocoa nibs in it and put it on top. Oh, just milk. And it's that milk chocolate kind of. So we really did enjoy that. We appreciate the samples, and we are shouting out
Yes.
Mauricia. Thank you for the samples, and thank you for giving us some knowledge on the coffee. And you guys need to stop by and check them out when you get off the train. So, white coffee, Videri chocolate, and it's actually a chocolate factory. Like who? Charlie.
Oh, so behind me is the Pit Authentic Barbecue. This place is kind of famous. This place has been on Food Network a couple different times. So it is famous, especially around here. The food is really good. So, and then if you're paying over here, there's Boxcar Bar and Arcade. So this is an adult arcade. They do serve alcohol there and do serve food. And it's just a bunch of old school, like, arcade games. I know I've spent hours in there playing Ninja Turtles, Mortal Kombat, The Simpsons,
Mario Kart, the original.
Do they have Mario Kart? Pinball. It's a lot more different games, but it's a lot of games in there. So it's a good place to go kill a couple hours. They don't open until 4, so you have to keep that in mind. But it's an excellent place to go kill a couple hours. And the Pit is also an excellent place to go get something to eat.
Okay, the next stop is Morgan Street Food Hall. According to Google, it's only a 3-minute walk, but I'm gonna let Brandon time it to actually see how long it takes to get there.
I was suspicious of your last time,
I'm just telling you what Google said to me.
so I'm going to time it out official.
Okay.
But I say goes.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
We made it to Morgan Street Food Hall. I made a mistake. I had on driving and not walking up. Therefore, it was not a 3-minute walk. How long was it? 8 minutes, so add on 5 minutes. I will do better. Let's take a look at Morgan Street Food Hall. So, are you ready for this journey?
Oh, if you got everything correct.
I got everything correct. 12-minute walk.
Let's go.
All right, let's go. Now, this does require you to walk up and down hill. If you cannot do that, just be cautious that there is also a set of stairs. And right around this corner here, there's an elevator. The elevator will take you up to the second level, which will also put you on the surface street level so you don't have to walk up and down the stairs. So just be mindful of that. And that is right out the back end of the train station. There's a switch. There you go. There's another switch. And if you come in early enough, they got the Union Station deli and catering. Their hours are very specific. So 8 to 1 during the weekdays. And then on the weekends, I think I saw somewhere where it was 8 to 3. But right here, it says 8 to 1 every single day. So that is it for our walking tour of downtown Raleigh, to show you guys that Raleigh is very accessible if you are just coming in for a day trip. There's
So much more.
So if you guys like this video, make sure you do all the things, which is,
Comment, subscribe.
I think we have to say hype now and hype it up. If you guys would like us to explore another area, Charlotte, Greensboro, Irmaville, let us know down in the comments. But for right now, we're going to add more to this series. So,
In the meantime,
and in between time, Parker's out.